Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're welcome to OC Hair Lounge, a channel that always brings latest and trending hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you have subscribed, come on guys, do subscribe. Okay, hit on the bell notification so that you get notified immediately a new video is being uploaded here in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today is a beautiful compilation of cute and beautiful elegant new year nails. Yes, these are very unique nails ideas for this season. If you've been looking for a very beautiful and unique nails to make coming this new year, then this video is highly recommended for you. So guys, here we have a very beautiful option that you can pick from. So do watch it to the end, okay? Ensure to watch the very end. Do not miss any slide, for all the slides are mind-blowing, okay? And as you watch our videos, kindly do well to give it a thumbs up, okay? Support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up, and also share to your family and friends so they can be part of the video as well. Thank you so much as you support us. And please guys, if this is not actually what you want, maybe you're looking for other nail types, why not go into our channel and explore more beautiful design? Trust me, we have lots and lots of stunning nails ideas. And if you're also looking for hairstyles, why not? We're going to cover, so just go check them out, and trust me, you will definitely love them all. Thank you so much as you watch our videos. Please like, comment and share, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.